Hey guys, today we'll be analyzing the cryptocurrency market. Remember, I promised you last time that we will go deep as 2012, okay, to check what has happened in the crypto world. So all right guys, we are live, okay. Today is 22nd of June 2022. And you can see the price of the BTC. Look at my mouse. You can see the price of the BTC as of today. It's $20,586,000. Okay, that's the word of BTC as it stands today. And if you can see my chart, I am trying for us to analyze all time of BTC. Okay, the highest BTC have gotten so far and the lowest we've seen so far in the market. Now we are in the market right now, and I'm using blockchain to analyze this because I don't think I can actually use another platform that is more better than blockchain. So blockchain, we are starting from 217. Okay, all right guys, let's ride on to this. Now here Bitcoin, we have 20,435. It's really very interesting to watch, and you can see what I'm telling you about the consistency and how market has been fluctuating. You can see the Bitcoin price as of then. The Bitcoin price as of then, it went higher, as high at $16,732. Yeah. Okay, but see, on this is on December. Okay, now we are following the chart from 2017 now according to the Bitcoin chart. All right, so and I'm using the blockchain to analyze this, to be specifically. Okay, now look at this. This is February 15, 2017. Bitcoin as of then was about 1,000 plus. So now it went higher. That's like this is like 90%. Okay, so you see this kind of thing has happened. At least we've seen it now. Okay, it went higher to like 90% of the market. Now okay, let's go around again. Let's go to 218, and in 218 it went as low as, in February 218, Bitcoin went as low as 9,000, from 16,000 down to 9,000. Okay, or 8,000 plus. Now let's ride on. Then I think this is, we call this in Forex, we call this consolidation pattern. It's actually not moving up, but it's not going down. So it's bouncing. It's bouncing. Okay, now we keep going, and it's keep going down. And the next thing we see, it's continue going up, and it went up again to a higher, like an 11,000 plus. Okay, like 11,000 plus, and it keeps going down. This is 2000 and what? This is 2019. Now guys, in 2020 Bitcoin went down to as low as $5,413 US dollars, to be specific. What am I trying to say here? Remember, in 2017 we hit as high as 19,000 in 2017, but in 2020 Bitcoin went down to 5,000. So you see, we've not even gotten to that time of the market here. Okay, so when you see now today Bitcoin went as high as 69,000 and went down again to, throughout the last week we are having about 17 to 18,000. Yes, yeah, and I honestly say that it's going back to at least 14 to 15,000 before bouncing up back to hundreds. Now look at what is going on here. We are in 2020 now. I just wanted to analyze this chart, Bitcoin chart, all time. So you see what I'm saying. Now this is not, nobody is capping here. I'm trying as best as I can to be real. Guys, I'm trying as best as I can to be real to you. This is Bitcoin charts, so you don't say what I'm saying. Maybe what I'm saying this out of experience. I've been looking at these charts. I've seen a lot of things happen with BTC. I've lost money in BTC, I've made money in BTC. So this is not something that is a repeatable pattern. I continue saying this. And once BTC goes down, other cryptocurrencies goes down with it. Now let's ride on and see what is happening here in 2020. Just look at my mouse, okay? I'm trying as much as I can to make this be very, very visible to you. Now in 2021, wow, Bitcoin hit. Remember, in 2020, it was where? Can someone look at this? In 2020, it went as high as 17,000. Now, in 2021, what happened in 2021? Okay, in 2021, immediately we entered January. From January 2021, Bitcoin started going up. Boom! Looks like everybody is pushing the market and the big guys are doing this work. Now in 2021, in April 11, 2021, Bitcoin hit $57,074 US dollar. So what are we saying here? These things happen. We've seen this happen in 2017. We've seen this happen again in 2018. And we are seeing this happening again in 2021. Okay, and again in the same 2021, Bitcoin went low as 32K. So it's like 40% drop again, another 40% drop again. Then in this same 2021, Bitcoin continued going up again, went to 40. From 40 in 2021, we hit, in the same 2021, we hit, oh wow, look at what I'm seeing. Look at what I'm seeing here. Just look at my mouse. We hit 67K plus 67 to 68K. It's trying to do what? Breathe in. All right, this is normal. So if you're panicking right now, I'm just trying to assure you that these things happens in the market. This is a market strategy to pull back the amateurs, to pull them out of the market. They don't want you to stay there, okay? They want you to go out of the market. They want you to panic. They want to put some things on the news, and you start freaking out like, you don't want to stay in the market for a very long time. So now they want you to go, okay? But I'm assuring you, I told you earlier on that I'm giving you secrets that I wasn't supposed to do. Now look at what happened here. Look at my mouse. Look at the charts here. Now you see what is going on here. The Bitcoin falls. Okay, in July 17, Bitcoin went back again to 31. From where? From 65 plus, it went down to 71. Okay, it went down to 33. Okay, now Bitcoin continue going again. It's continue going again. It's continue going again. And it went as high as well, 69 plus, 69. Now look at this. This is the high, the greatest high of the market. So if you throw something up, what do you expect to happen? When it gets to the limit of the throwing, it is expected to bounce back. This is what the market is trying to do now. It's breathe in and out. So the market is trying to breathe out. So now a lot of people are panicking. Yeah, you're all supposed to panic because you're losing money. I understand. Now, but the market was supposed to breathe out. And that is exactly what the market is doing now. And what? This time around, when the market tries to breathe out, because there is a lot of observation, market absorbs a lot of energy. So now it takes market a lot of capability to do what? To breathe out, and a lot of energy is coming out. Now look at what we are seeing here. Now we continue going down. It looks like we are going up. We continue going down. We continue. Then we get to where? Where are we today? Today we are at what? 20,435 US dollars. So this is what I'm trying to say, guys. These things happens. So if you are panicking right now that you're losing money, I'm just trying to assure you that the market will still go up, for real. This is not the first time. We've seen it through the charts that this is not the first time this happened in the market. This is not the second, and this is even not the third, and it's definitely not the last. Cryptocurrencies are meant to stay. The big guys make use of this. If you don't know, But this is where you make a lot of money, because now everybody is gone. And I told you earlier in our last video, I told you, I advise you, this is for educational purposes only, and I don't advise you to go on this because I'm not legally signed to do this. I'm just advising you because I'm an investor and I invest a lot, and because of my experiences in the market, I'm coming to share my idea. So you can take it or you don't take it, but you will come back in 2 years now, in 3 years now, in 6 months now, whatever time it is, you will come back and say, oh bro, you did very well. This is not a prediction, it's a statistics. This is how market works. I wasn't predicting it. It's not a prediction, it's a repeatable pattern in the market. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe, comment, write down what you think. What do you think? What is the next video you think? If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section. I'm definitely going to answer. I'll read all my comments. So subscribe, like, turn on your notification button in case anytime we upload new videos, you will be the first to see it. Thank you for watching this. And I know this is going to help you a lot.